Video is about getting rid of the online scam that is associated with the site Sefags.live. This is a deceptive site attacking Google Chrome and other browsers. Sefags.live displays scary alerts which attempt to mislead users and to make them download and install certain potentially unwanted software. If you see these pop-ups by Sefags.live, be very careful. Don't interact with these deceptive and totally fake alerts. By the way, these pop-ups could be the result of certain adware enabled in your computer. So if you see them, you should not tolerate these pop-ups. Don't trust whatever they tell you. The only correct conclusion is to leave this deceptive page and to make sure that your system is free of any other possibly hidden threats. My recommendation is that you research your device with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best place to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Download the application, install the software, and then once it gets successfully installed, begin researching your computer. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will help you to effectively detect and eliminate other infections. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only Quick Scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.